Good morning, Zimbabwe. To all the people of Zimbabwe, listen and mark this day. Our patience is not weakness, it is discipline. We stand as one regiment of the people, shoulder to shoulder, eyes fixed on the horizon of the free Zimbabwe. Tungwarara may shout his loyalty to Emmerson Mnangagwa, but loyalty to a man who loots his country is betrayal of the nation. We answer to a higher oath, which is to our people, land, and our children. Sarabuda mashoko arikuda panguva inotogwa naKirina Mjati achiva panguva ino achidismisa mashoko atogwa naTungwarara aiwa ekuti they are going to submit kuna mutungamiri wenyika nebo subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipinda paendo yaKirina Mjati anoendera mberi achiti this is not chaos, this is information. This is not chaos, this is formation. As Zimbabweans, we will organize, gather, and occupy public truth with facts and courage. We will march, but not in blind fury. We march with purpose to demand transparency, to demand justice, to demand the restoration of dignity. We will call out corruption in every corner. We will expose every looted purse, every broken promise, every stolen future. Let those who would flee if power wants know this. The ground belongs to the people. If they leave, let them go. They will not be missed. Our mission is not revenge. It is restoration. We will use our numbers, our voices, our ballots, our laws, and our unbreakable solidarity to dismantle the privilege and rebuild power for the people. To every city and every village, assemble, register, speak, and you shall witness the line at polling stations, town halls, and streets of conscience. I urge every Zimbabwean to document, report, unite, refuse bribery, intimidation, and refuse to be silenced. Zimbabweans, let us move with discipline, strike only with truth. Let our discipline be our power and our resolve be our weapon. Zimbabwe will rise by the people, orderly, relentlessly, and undefeatable. For Zimbabwe we stand tall, as we shall rise. Tomashoko anotogwa panguva ino naKirina Mjati panguva ino achikola aiwa kuti vagari venyika yeZimbabwe, let us stand for our own dignity. Ngatimirire nyika yedu yeZimbabwe. Let us support VP Costa Nochwenka in a fight to stop Uganda. Pinako message made of Muro and what could be from Soviet Coach. Someone subscribe or like, catch it on the bell icon.